Hi, third graders. It's Miss Irwin. We're going to get moving past fractions. Good job on, so many of you did a really good job on Form B on Friday on your homework. I hope anything that you were confused about, the explanation video you just watched helped you. And we are now moving on to Chapter 4, and it is about place value and rounding and estimating. So if you could turn your math book to page 213, that is a letter for parents, and it shows you and them the topics that we're going to be covering for this unit. First thing's going to be place value drawings. We're going to work on that today. Tomorrow, you're going to see what secret code cards are. You have those in your book. You'll be cutting those out and using those. Then we'll move on to estimating and rounding to check for reasonableness of numbers. Turn the page over. Then we're going to learn a couple different ways to add and subtract bigger numbers. So just practicing with bigger numbers and subtracting from zeros and understanding how place value affects that. So if you could rip that page out of your math book, that would be awesome. And put it in a place where one of your parents or an adult that helps you with your work will see what we're going to start working on in math. Before we start talking about page 217, I want to review something with place value for you. Let's erase all this. Okay, so remember, this is considered a 1. And then if we have 10 of those, it makes a 10 stick. If we have 10 sticks, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Right? Okay, so 10 of those will make 100, and 100 looks like a square. And then if we had 10 hundreds, it'd be 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. And instead of drawing all of that, our new shape for 1,000 looks like this. It's a long rectangle, so it's like a 10 stick, but it's fat. That's what we're going to be using for 1,000. So please go to your math book, page 217. And as you can see, we're doing place value drawings today. And these are our 10 sticks and our 1s. So that first one, if you count the 10 sticks, count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then you count your 1s, and we have 7. This one has 100 square, and it's showing you that 100 square is the same thing as 10 tens. So this picture is a value of 100, 2 tens, and 4 ones, 124. Continue looking at 3, 4, 5, and 6 using what you know for those place value drawings, and you're going to write the answers in. Number 3 has 200s, and they're grouping 10s and 1s into piles of 5 like we do with tally marks, kind of. So this is 50, 60, 70, and this is 5, 6, 7. So this is 277. Number 4 has 300s, 5, 6 ones, so 60, and then a 1. Number 5 has 600s, 2 10s, and 3 1s. And number 6 has 4 hundreds. And 4 tens and 9 ones, 449. You're going to make a place value drawing for 86 and 587. When you're done with those, this is the answers for that page. This is what your picture looks like for 86. 8 10 sticks for the 880, because you're counting by tens, and then 6 ones. This one, the squares are all 100, and you need 5 hundreds. You need 80 in 10 sticks and 7 ones. Okay. So I got to erase my screen here for a second. Sorry. The next page continues the same way. You should be able to do this, but remembering what I showed you about thousands, you're going to use like a 10 stick, but you're going to make it a little bit wider, like a long rectangle. Okay. So this is 1,000 right there. This is 1,000, tens, or 1,000, hundreds, tens, one. This has 1,000, 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 8 ones. This one has 1,000. I can't see the picture. It doesn't have any hundreds, so we have to remember to put the 0 in there for that place value, because the next one that we count is 9, and that's only tens. It's not in the hundreds. And then 3 ones. Draw a picture for 11 and 12. And then on the bottom, you're writing the numbers in, write the number for the words that you see. You should be pretty good at that. These again are the answers for that page. I can't arrow this up and down. Sorry, guys. Now you should practice place value drawings and writing numbers and words for numbers by doing the link at the next step of math. Thank you for your attention today.